Somebody help me. I've been working for 10 minutes plus, non-stop, brisk work. Oh, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for liking, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. I'm doing my morning routine. I decided to start up my exercise after winning my baby. So, mommies, you can do this even in your small compound, okay? Anywhere you find yourself in your little space, just do something. Just do something. Doing small is better than doing none. You understand? So, you can stand up with something nice and easy, okay? If I've seen Dwight today, who is Dwight, please? Joe Johnson, who is Dwight? Maybe, I don't know if Dwight has come on my life or not. But I don't know who Dwight is. I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Please, where are you watching from? Please say something to me now so that you can get more people to view this with us, please. It's not safe, I'm tired, but I think I need rest. So this is how I'll stress it out a bit because it's not easy. I've been doing this for 10 minutes non-stop when my husband has been running for like 12 minutes non-stop. That guy is too much. If you see him, he looks very young. Ah, let's go again. Hmm. Don't give up, Jenny, baby. Don't give up. Yes, I'm not giving up, baby. This is my inner mind talking to me now. I'm not giving up. I want to do it for my future. Hmm. I'm doing it for my future. I'm doing it for my tomorrow. So I'll live healthier. I'll live longer by the grace of God, okay? So try to do exercise. Try to do exercise. Try to do exercise. It's good for your body. It's good for your health. Talk to me now, please. Can you just comment a little bit? Thank you, even if it's just to say hi, please. Hmm. Hmm. Thank God the kids are on holiday, so I have more time to exercise every day. See, my thighs are so big now. Hmm. It's so inchy. If I touch it like this, it's so sweet. It's sweeter than twe twe. I used to view. I don't know what you're thinking, but I'm just telling you. When you exercise and your body is eating you, if you try to scratch it, it's sweet. Bye. He keep passing me. Woman, I'm not competing with him. He's so fit. Me that just started yesterday. See, everybody is so fat after breastfeeding. Ah, kudos to all the mommies out there. You guys are great. We are all great. Great women. Hey, hey, great women. Boza, boza, boza for you all. In fact, for us all. It's not easy. And thanks to all our mommies that gave birth to us. Hmm? They too, they tried. We didn't understand it until we got our turn. Hmm. Indeed, life now turn by turn. Hmm. Let's go, let's go.